Hello friends, this is Sumit Pukharna. We will be talking about oil and gas sector today. In continuation to our past discussions, I would like to highlight how the scenario has globally changed, which has impacted crude oil price movement. Recently we have seen crude oil prices corrected by 20% in rupee terms, which is significant and which is beneficial for India and oil marketing companies. Now coming to fundamental factors why the crude has fallen by 20% in rupee terms in the last almost 2 months. The first factor is the lower demand in global in developed markets. The various factors which has led to fall in the crude oil prices are as follows. First, the lower demand in developed countries, specifically US and Eurozone, which has resulted in high stock inventories. Thirdly, lot of long position has cut down, which has led to lower speculation in the crude oil prices. So, how does it impact India? In the lower crude oil prices is significantly positive for India because we import almost 80% of our domestic consumption. Now, as I generally divide the entire oil and gas space into 3 parts: upstream, midstream and downstream. We will see how the lower crude oil prices influences each of them. Lower crude prices are generally negative for upstream companies because they are oil exploration companies. However, we will divide this into 2 parts: oil PSUs and oil private companies. When I am talking about oil PSU, I am referring to ONGC, Oil India and GAIL, which have to bear under recoveries or a subsidy burden. With the lower crude oil prices, their under recoveries or subsidy burden will go down, which is positive for them, which will increase their profitability. But if crude price falls significantly lower, then the benefit will not be there with them, mainly because beyond a point the net realization will get impacted. When I am making such a statement of lower under recoveries or subsidy burden, I am assuming the retail fuel prices remaining static. So this is significantly positive for ONGC, Oil India and GAIL. We had recently recommended a buy on Oil India, and from there stock has already given 10% return. We still maintain our buy view on bullish stance on Oil India. Coming to private exploration companies, we believe the lower crude price is not positive for them and the stock is going to be remain under pressure. Just to give an example, Cain India, which has corrected significantly in the recent past. Now coming to downstream companies, which includes your refining companies. Refinery companies are going to benefit from lower crude oil prices because their raw material cost will go down. Just to give an example, BPCL, HPCL and IOC, which are oil PSU companies, which is significantly positive for them. This is significantly positive for them, and the same has been reflected in their share price movement. Coming to another refineries, like which are private refineries, this is also positive for them, but their major exposure is in developed markets where the demand for finished products is lower. We believe that can impact their gross refining margins. So is not the case with oil marketing companies. So oil marketing companies in a lower crude oil prices are going to benefit. Coming to another segment in the oil and gas space is companies which are importing natural gas from abroad, which is RLNG as we call it. The key player in this space is Petronet LNG. Lower crude oil prices, higher supply of natural gas globally will lead to has resulted in lower LNG prices, and we believe Petronet LNG will be the key beneficiary of the same. We have a buy recommendation on Petronet LNG. We maintain our bullish view on the same. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.